I've received an urgent message that the material sent here by you might be gag-worthy. We'll take a closer look and see if it's worth my time.
So the journey starts. I'm here in Sofia. Well, we'll see how this game goes. Okay, I've set it into a position not to dox anyone. So I'm waiting for a friend to go to the field, hence I don't know the location of the field. Yes, there are GPS coordinates, but it's always better to travel with somebody. Hoping that it will be a good game. For now, it's a 2 degrees Celsius right now, which is really nice weather to play. And yeah, I have nothing else to say, to be honest, at this point in time. I'll be with you in a second. Okay, and it's time to go to the field. I'm just waiting for my friend here to lead the way, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the field. As we approach the field, I'm kind of conflicted where we are going, but it is what it is. This is not part of the field, but it looks really... Oh, actually it might be part of the field. Interesting. Really interesting. The mandatory monster opening here, and as the pleasantries are out of the way, the organization team started with a normal briefing. It is pretty standard for Bulgaria, so I'm not gonna go over it. Also, it is pretty standard for the world as well. Jumping directly to the scenario, here these two guys were our commanders. My commander was on the right. You can also follow them on Instagram. I will put links down below in the description as well. The setting was a milsim setting where we didn't know our objectives, but our commanders relayed them to us. And here's the map, which I didn't know, and on the first part you will hear completely wrong call out.
Hello there, this is Paul's game Ichi. The game was beautiful, but now you will see the game. I was not able to record anything before the game because I kind of forgot, and have fun watching this lovely video, and the terrain is amazing, by the way.
Chapter 1, Flank Secured. So in this first chapter you will see me and my teammates securing the flank.
Чисто. Чисто.
We didn't have clear orders. The only order was secure the flank.
Не го знам лявото. Отварям. Чисто. Излизат. Сини излизат от парламента.
Completely wrong call out. That is actually the church on my left there. But I'm spamming, I'm not hitting anything. They're not hitting anything because those branches are blocking the BBs. But here we go. My first elimination for 2024 goes right about here. And the award for the malfunction goes to the suppressor. I'm not putting that suppressor back again, I swear. Here we're defending the flank perfectly, and that was a slow reaction out of me.
Добре.
Nevertheless, they were able to push it, and I got eliminated.
Hit!
Chapter 2, King of the Hill.
Знаеш какво? Абсолютно тут ще кажа. Бутайте!
We had to push the hill in order to capture the flag.
Затъгала, внимай!
And after capturing the hill, we had to go to the next building, which is the hospital. But here, all of my teammates are getting eliminated. I was lucky. I was not hit.
Къде? Да. Отзад.
I literally didn't see him and flinched.
Woohoo! Ah! Не е честно!
My nade's not being activated.
Не гърми на тако! А тази? Добре.
And this actually surprised me.
Йоу! Много ти благодарим. Чакай, много ти благодаря.
We got pushed almost immediately, but we were able to defend the hill.
Свършиха ми топчета почти, бе.
A quick reload here.
Взехме ги. Гъджа.
And they were pushing us from every angle possible, but we were able to defend the hill for as long as needed for us to get our objective. Chapter 3: Commander's Guard. I have no idea why we started going to this part of the field. I believe we had to cut them off because we had to storm the hospital building, and here me and my teammate were pushing and trying to cut their approach. My first attempt though was unsuccessful.
Hit!
Then I came back and I was able to push and get to this building.
Няма страшно.
And from this point on, I started cutting their approach.
Прибрах го. Етажите са. Не ги виждам въобще.
And now you understand why I call
Ще
this
стреля
Commander's
всеки
Guard.
момент. Тук сме пак в Stalemate.
I was able to cut their approach.
Взех един. Под нас, под нас.
And this guy thought I don't see him.
Шарп на всички червени, трябва да ни подкрепене при лабораторията, защото има вероятност да ме пленат. Бибишков, мина Бибишков.
Честно ли? Оцелих някой с граната ли, бе?
I do believe I hit him with that nade.
Да, бе, да. Отпред на щайгите.
Опа! Nice job.
Искам да погледна. Мина, мина. Гаднико!
And now,
Топ, ево
my
момче.
teammates rescuing the commander.
Сега, дайте, позиционирайте се. Един е от тука, да мога да гледа към черното. Прието, идвам. Готови си? Да. На 3, 2, 1, покривай.
And they were able to extract him. And also, we did capture the enemy commander, which you will see right about here. Here, him captured. He did a lot of shenanigans, but in the end, he was captured. Chapter 4: Last Charge.
Йома.
I gave my commander some gummy bears. And I was requested to sound that charge again. That was so beautiful because everybody started charging after my whistle.
Hit!
And this was my last push, actually. Here we were able to clear the hill and get to the next building.
Давай, айди. Давай.
And here we're pushing the so-called hospital, and you will see what happens now.
Махниться.
I was ready to throw nade immediately.
Пред нас.
Here it goes. It didn't blow.
Честно. Hit.
Emotional damage!
And that's all she wrote. The game was fabulous, not gonna lie. At the end, as soon as I got team killed, my team was able to push that building and secure the objective. After that, they got the other objective and they're planting it right now as I speak. But me being almost at the end eliminated, I was like, nah, I will stop playing, hence why I'm going to the save zone. Actually, this game was really nice. I had terrible amounts of fun. As you already saw. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, you know the drill, and hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Have a lovely one. Bye bye.